Namaskar. Friends, each one of us is aware about importance of numbers. Whole universe is bonded with numbers and each number from 1 to 9 plays important role in our life as well the activities happening outside. Some numbers are good, some are compatible and some are bad or not so compatible. In my series of videos, I am going to tell you how to find out which dates suits for which kind of activity such as starting new work, writing exams, going on journey and so on. In today's episode, I am going to tell you which date suits for what purpose. Let's go. So here we are. It's so simple that you can calculate yourself the favorable date for particular activity and you can plan your activity if same is in your control to achieve best outcomes. I am sure you will benefit by doing so. Please like and subscribe this channel so that you can receive notifications. So here is the sample calculation. Write your date of birth, month of birth, today's date, present month, present year. Add everything as you are seeing in this video. You got 4-digit number 1089. Add all the numbers like 1 plus 0 plus 8 plus 9. So you got 19. Now add 1 plus 9 so you got 10. Add 1 plus 0. So you got 1. Now check in what is in store for 1. Here is the list of activities related to number 1. These are the list of activities which are favorable on this date. Planning ambitious projects, expressing novel ideas, starting some original work, enrolling for language course, developing new friendship, interview with new boss, participation in music artistic activities, purchasing machines equipment, trying for competition or election, going on journey. Here is the list of activities related to number 2, improving financial status, selecting life partner, trying to get cooperation from others, entering into a contract, gaining another's confidence, diplomatic talk discrimination. Here is the list of activities related to number 3, furthering your ambition, going in for presentation of articles, taking legal advice, making new investments, trying for a favor or assistance, presenting credentials, studying new subject, developing contacts with editors. Here is the list of activities related to number 4, providing education facilities to children, entering into a contract, fixing securities, arranging home affairs, consulting a doctor, dealing with agriculture. Here is the list of activities related to number 5, playing with children, participation in a garden party, attending to correspondence, making new acquaintances or friendships, giving talk on the radio, arranging a short trip. Here is the list of activities related to number 6, making yourself attractive and charming, developing love contacts, visiting a beauty parlor, proposing marriage, patching up old quarrels, taking rest, reading books, attending a conference. Here is the list of activities related to number 7, controlling unwanted talk, taking care about diet, peace and meditation, developing psychic studies, taking decision about family matters, adopting a child, consulting a guru or spiritual authority. Here is the list of activities related to number 8, studying mysticism, acquiring power of intuition, developing spiritual healing, making love, trying one's luck in a race or a lottery, donation to charitable institution, contesting a election, looking after financial matters. Here is the list of activities related to number 9, visiting charitable institution, dealing with confidential documents, practicing spiritual healing, earning fame and reputation, rectifying old mistakes, going on journey or picnic, doing original work, visiting musical concerts. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Wait for next episode which will be about how to calculate your lucky number.